Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wofre me adwoa search ni.
What in Ghana primary school?
Wakobubunu, right?
Wakobubunu say or the year
I'm
24-hour market.
looking for that video, but tell me say me ni wa.
Yeah, ko fax base. Uko fax base page a ubenya. Na na mikonya asa news no.
What's that baby?
Yeah. Enti mama yembisa ye ho say school dan a wakwa akobubu. Wan si dan ni bi asi ho. Na wakwa akobubu. Enti nkwala no omo ye den.
Also background video no will be an be botray some the video there any evidence there.
What you say? Enti yembisa ye ho say sa 24-hour market say eya ma NDC for sebio ahete so omo bodam ewo mo dwen ho a wonte ase. And na your mama me be so question so say the whole world minim say wachini more me. Countries are wachini de minim de ba minim say ba now we wachini more than 500 countries ewo world. Pointy country a wo call ya wakohu say ya ye marketer anajo 2 o'clock ye ton niema. Na anka wama example say me call Germany state we say mahubi me call Japan me call Dubai me call America mahubi. Enande watima kobu primary school tendana primary school tendana no na si chire mu no ayete say akan kasa mu ni dikuro aha nti wo hwe omode to dikuro bi a ewo upper west wo aho aha tendana no na si chire mu an te say wo de ba kan kasa ma musi dikuro no wo de ko the srim lie na tendana no chire say dikuro na chire say one of the dikuro schools ya 70 years ujo mama kura school ni yeden eche upanyini ende wakwa kobubu no asen ya pe problem ama nkwala no enti kukurudu yenka sa asem we se enye siremu ho na sa ade we besi a akanman mu fahina ebe mo kwan se market school dan wabebubu abra wunsi school dan yeden na o mama o sa kwan no nsu sirem no eye normal ma minuanom ewo wa ho o mani age jo mama bora ko ye da kote so kadibi himba gara school memba dikanyir kadibi himba gara school memba aseoyen kukudu me ka ema omu biate jo mama ebubu market a eden egu enti se ne banko school kura na yesi market amana on de nani ayeden nani age enti minuanom Ghanafoɔ 2028 ebeba de ye papa Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia sa nyansa na papa no ekuta opese ode ye den ode boa o man no momma yentimi nto abane man na Ghana nye den enko nanim ti kukurudu mi ne de manu besi ha na wa manipa foforo ato aso e chire na masenya ba
mama me da se fane kunshra one funny thing I me ya say this 24-hour economy they are doing in the market, it's not even going to work. It's just a normal see market near rent your man call for out no matter your honka. It's the same thing now mobile bay no more 24-hour na to so keke. This same market say be ye bubu near structure near na fufu near their market women no matter your honka no matter no. It's the same thing they are doing. Send your end that no sa pepe. No much that because they know say the 24-hour economy don't promise and it has failed. So they just want to put it somewhere. Say we will say they just want to give it a name. Market na yeti ho dada no yeti so dada de yeti market na dada de yeti ye nya din bia ye nya friend market and this 4% almost say the aspect of it being called the market. Their friend 24-hour. On be say say just see a friend me kodwom no. On be say almost say me kodwom no Ay3ka no be ka say me 24-hour economy market. And no, that is the only thing a normal market here yes here. Akufo do be CB, voter region was CB so many places. I will see phase 2 of KJT and the phase 2 nisi hono ma yen to aso koye ni ye. Akufo do be see so many markets go from the Ay3ka market be break kwa. It's just the same market now na Mahama so CCCB. And the only thing is they have failed with the 24-hour economy. Into which one can we use and what can we use for that name to stay? They just want the name to stay. Sometimes, bro, and this is for here, bro. Honestly, I thought that bro to do. It's just simple logic. free compulsory, free progressive SHS and NDC force on the buy. It was just for some secondary schools a year day students. And some and yeah, all of the day students who and as the day schools so some selected schools. And even with the some selected schools, they chose a disco at this at the only their account. But 2015, they were sucking these students for school fees. And you tell me say we're a free progressive SHS. Why? And we be no more you know. And this time around they've brought 24-hour economy. They know say the economy has failed. They promise some public organizations for back kasa. Now omu factories need the kika omu nyina ye juma 24-hour. Sami Jemfi betina o catch and say, oh no, a juma 24-hour economy no. He will go to work in the morning. Captain Smart will go to work in the afternoon. Yati Tiba Bedrew in the evening. Mumbisa Sam George say, Sami Jemfi, they be my friend Sam George. Sami Jemfi say, see your gold board no. Has he ever given Captain Smart the chance to come and work after he has finished his shift? Has he given Yati the chance to work after Captain Smart has finished with a Yonone Diano? One more we never taught to us why a 24-hour economy when age this is to tell you, say it's just a lie. And honestly, this one day straight one factory, Rebecca Chamo say in Toronto, these are the factories they could have relied on to work the 24-hour economy on. Also, my culture said there is nothing like one day straight one factory. So which factories are they going to work with? You see where their lies are from. And you know, I mean, when you follow the NDC, you are just a gullible person. And I'm one some year. It's like a mine among pennies, a day on a movie, where I'm coming down. I'm in Chelsea. Get Baumia and doors, the Patrian Quaminia.
Oh, me never, but good afternoon.
Joso,
This one here.
Yamia Dumo.
I went here about for you now. I'm telling your voice. Now, mention His Excellency, a large Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and how can I say Ghana new with my voters ID card? So, what Gally Ay3ka ba? Now, Okoye, two political parties, MPP and DC, two candidates, John Mahama and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Yes, Tom Bako. Now, Baku made you a man and on threatening a man in the man. Was my Tom, I'm a Tobama John Mahama. A brownie John Mahama track record say, since independence, Open President and the record, and ye Bonko, Ewa Ghana ha a John the Mahama. But yet, Unya Ghana need to Bonkoso. It moved to Obama John Mahama, I'm a John Mahama, Abbey president. Yeah. So ope so say NDC aban e wo ho NDC aban no monipa monipa sebra hwe opa yen hwe regions na omoye MDC dominated affairs and areas no look at the development project e wo ho na fa compare MPP dominated areas no this should be a NDC dominated be an here any event here bubro na wo sade street mu mpuntu oni wo but yet NDC ni tibet man ko to aba ma NDC simple because yeah there we to NDC mu this NDC say no eyo yetim even Uba Central region kwana MPP dominated areas na wom look at areas na Uba Central region mo to aba ma NDC no the sexual flampings drobonzo ejura sexual domasi look at those areas development any ho but yet ubenya NDC ni asenaja hwakas no waba betena santema mpom no ka cha santema mpom fo se asantema mfo munyanya street of the MPP nyanya hwe maamo miwa ukonu kuroma even chip kompa akwa na hodin se bia ubenya chip kompa ba akwa e woni konsuency but obeje no ho no waba ka cha santema mpom fo se munyanya efense astrote MPP aban enye hwe maamo obeje no akwa tena efense mamponten aka kire mo se mo akwa mu din ye nyanya nyina wi nti MPP emmo miwa ne konsuency ko taba akwa ni wo. Yeah, me say the West MPP MP our parliament far better than the best NDC MP our parliament. Yeah, MPC on ban another 4 years omunyanya 4 years kwa no. I can tell you say some of them the developmental project omo dey come kuro no much more than
don't do that because ne boy word so mpa watum mpa abrofo bibia enti wo hu kaka nam ho. Don't remind Mahama no your driver. What the car ne ko hwe ho. Car ne hwe ho wieye no. Enkrofo ko fa car na atete pansam. Ebetu twae eye body works ma street car no. Emma car ne scientist kwa so. Was some bag car when I was say. That no man no start bum chow. Nti we dey car me ye my ni ye dey me fen ko hobio. Car when na sa gitum e ka chen se won sa nye car me sa car na sa hye ne sa say on sa fen ko adwuma. O sa gi ye no. Port was na wa da bom pan. Dia no be hu da bom pan. Enso car no onye mfe medu ye nti no. Car when na ye din say o de jime. No di bedu say kimu a. Obaji car na firi ni sem. Onumpo o admire. Onumpo o John Dramani Mahama nimpo wakwasa aba na nye ono o ye vice president ya na implement events eno ma o implement ye no etimi abu o ma ye nei ono John Dramani Mahama na o ye chief driver no wo ko de ka hwe ho san ba ya ye body ways a week an estadi ono ne implement events na implement no ebi na o de eye adwuma ne ugina ho no mu a wo kan kwase asem enne unsa hye obotum kam mo asem se obedi ade efie ngotwe no wa fa bibia mebo o man no ade ntiri na se de o man hye ne nsa kwase mpa ni ti se wo de o de ka akɔhwe o kwase de asa de o man hye ne nsa de o tete o man ko fa dum so bre yen kra no ye san de o man hye ne nsa enye de o no emfa ka nkɔhwe ho na fe no no di mate na fe no o hye ka aka wie na opɛ ka aka onu asua driving na wie na opɛ ka aka no onu no si ye man ne ka anka na de ono so head driver chief driver o de ko hwe ho a enipa e waka num na ewuye no wasan ba mo num san man ka so waka ne de won ka da hwan akwase fi hoko krasini wa jimi a wo de wunhwe nyansa na obegina wano ma ana kai asa akokoni chimi fo kwase bia wo ma wi ofo ma representer wo do ofiri yeah, that's a Ghana you forward to the sense say Gambia no abetrase adan ya miss me presenter adan ya miss me a morning show host Black Rasta o Jimmy fisu ko me de ni emfa plan fisu ko me fa o Jimmy ko fisu ko me fa o Jimmy fi ni person enko next topic abusia mo me enko next topic na fi me chia mo maba na edomu na ya me nhye mu na mba ba chia mo pam chew yeni kan fa de yaba na fe o Jimmy fi ni penisico afe yenko tie eye kwase ya o se e friend Ziga o mi ko tie mesisia
that's not make you came for 8 good years. Somebody started getting 20 8 good years. What were you doing? 8 good years. You were not able to open one word for injection. Then you have the audacity. What were you doing? 8 good years. You were not able to open one word for injection. Then you have the audacity and the moral right to go there. Say, yeah, they're politics. 92 points now. I think that before you go there, you offer an apology to people of Ashanti region. The region is simple. Sa hospital, and see strength region like a western region. And see Greater Accra. And see Bogatanga. And then see Central region. And see Ashanti region. I don't. You understand? 92 points now. They don't deserve that. 8 years. And see Greater Accra. And see Bogatanga. And then see Central region. And see Ashanti region. Your strongest hold, and they don't deserve that. You understand? 92 points now. They don't deserve that. 8 years. Because you, Obiabe defend this argument, say, apart from the parliamentarians, which they are politicians, but we are independent analysts.
Yeah, Ziga, Jimmy Trust, I mean, Jimmy Trust, I mean,